with his crew. That means they're just about ready to hook that big old starter and start those turbines. Spooling that J-34 Westinghouse jet engine straight out of a Navy fighter into the beast. And now in Roseburg, Oregon, the finishing touches being put on the safety. Once all the safety stuff is in place, it's time to light the night. Fans, I believe that's a thumbs up. It's time to make some noise. Jet Car Meltdown! Fans, as the noise has subsided, Jeff can hear you. Let's give a big round of applause for the Beast! So, Beast going to be pulling down off of the raceway as the guys get things folded up. As the car remains on fire, let's hear it for the Jet Car Meltdown! Once we get all of Jeff's stuff cleaned up here on the Speedway, then we can get into the Monster Truck Freestyle that's going to conclude tonight's event. And out of the car, out of the jet, pulling the safety gear off, let's hear it for Jeff Animaniac! Give Jeff an opportunity to pull some of the safety gear off, hopefully get an interview with him while the car continues to smolder. In the back of warm, baby, warm. It's like hanging out in the campfire with an ice-cold Bud Light in my hand. Yeah. All right, Jeff, gonna join me over here real quick, fans. He's got his helmet off. He can hear you loud and clear. Let's hear for Jeff Animaniac! Jeff, I've been trying to tell the fans in the stands a little bit about your toy. Give you a second here to catch your breath. Kind of give us an idea of a rundown of what you have to do to make this thing a car burger.
We have a very weird definition of toy, but okay, I'll have to deal with that. We just got tired of drag racing, so we thought we'd try something different. One day, this kind of came to us. We chained up a car, and we've been doing it for 15 years.
You know, it looks like you guys have a whole lot of fun. I was telling the fans that this is a 300-mile-an-hour, quarter-mile car, low sixes, high fives, fast.
Very fast. It's kind of hard to make a conversion from drag racing to this. We made a bunch of changes before we ever come out here. But this is a lot of fun. I enjoy this.
You know, Jeff, I think the fans enjoyed it as well. Do you guys like the Jet Car Meltdown? Is there anybody in the stands tonight who would like to see freestyle with a burning car?